guys, I'm Wadacy2 from uklocksport.co.uk and just got in from work, so decided to do a quick lock picking video before I get changed and settled. This is a 40mm 5-pin tri-circle padlock. It does have a working key. My son Jacob found this at his granny Pat's, so it must have belonged to my father-in-law, who secured something with it. It's a bit battered on the edges here and there. This is the working key for it. So that's the bitting on it. Hope you can see that, because as I've said before, I don't really have sort of autofocus on my camera, or if it is there it doesn't work. There you go, show you the key working. Tri-circles, as you probably all know, classed as cheap Chinese padlocks, but they are and can be quite difficult to pick. So let's have a go at getting this one open, using a homebrew flexi wrench and my Peterson gem, which I'm getting used to each and every day. It's getting to be a bit of a favourite. Find with this particular one, sort of tension on, so the plug moves over, and just keep it at that. I go into the back and work from back to the front, and you get little drops on your wrench. And again, me personally, I find every now and again a bit of a twitch of the finger. Let's see how we get on with it. So slight tension on, not too much, to the back. Just start working forwards. Bit of a drop there. Bit more of a drop on pin 1. I thought I'd got it then, because there was a bit more of a drop. Just ease tension off, hit the pin, and it's picked. So that's the tri-circle 40mm padlock, single pin picked. So again, I think I'll use Lenny the laser, because he doesn't sort of come out too much nowadays. So that's Lenny the laser. There he goes, straight away. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.